Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're flying somewhere and you want to switch off your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth, then let me show you how you can turn on airplane mode. So first you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar. Next, tap on settings here at the top right. Now you want to go ahead and find connections, tap on that. From this list, find the flight mode, go ahead and tap on this. Now you can go ahead and read about this. So it turns off mobile network, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So while flight mode is on, you can turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on again in settings or in the quick panel. If you turn Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on or off in flight mode, this will be then remembered next time you use the flight mode. So if you want to turn on the flight mode, go ahead and turn it on. Once you do this, you'll see this airplane icon here at the top right. This basically means flight mode or airplane mode is turned on. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on flight mode or airplane mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.